So, Zeus's cat tree is a little worse for wear. Hi, welcome to the show. I'm Jeff and this is Zeus, the Mammoth Tech Show cat. He's destroyed his previous cat tree, so we've given him an upgrade. This Zoofari cat activity tower, which we picked up from Lidl's. Here we have the raw ingredients for Zeus's new secret headquarters, which I now have to construct. 2 fabric covered posts support the round basement. These are secured in place to the roof and floor. This is then secured to the base with a threaded bolt. Do the same with the first scratching post, but be vigilant, it's a slightly different size bolt. The square penthouse suite has double the posts and double the doorways of the basement, but is constructed in the same way. The rooftop terrace is supported by this and the second scratching post, and is secured in the same way as the base plate. Zeus will be using this as a sun deck, so it's important to properly install the included cushion to ensure the client's comfort. And Zeus's new base of operations is complete. I'm happy to say he's very happy with it. The sun deck is very popular and is roomy enough for even his long legs. And the penthouse's side door is a great source of natural light, which Zeus really appreciates. So a thumbs up from Zeus. I've been Jeff, that's a very happy Bengal. This is the Mammoth Tech Show and you've been very kind to watch. Thank you very much.